Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Tineco PURE ONE S11. It's a smart vacuum cleaner. Smart dust detection, smart suction adjustment, intelligent LED display, smart battery management, smart noise optimization. Ooh, and it is app integration able. The PURE ONE S11 brings smart sensor technology to a high-performance cordless vacuum for a completely new intelligent cleaning experience. Wow! You have a smart suction for deeper cleaning. With the help of the iLoop dust sensor, the PURE ONE S11 detects invisible dust, hair, pollen, and dander, and adjusts the suction power instantly for effortless and convenient cleaning. It's an all-in-one LED display on the top of the device. It comes with an all-in-one LED display and it shows the important cleaning information, including dust amount, malfunction alert, and Wi-Fi connection status. Enable us to monitor our cleaning status at a glance. We have a smart battery management. The PURE ONE can automatically triggers the proper suction power as well as detachable 2500 mAh lithium-ion batteries. The PURE ONE attains longer runtime up to 40 minutes. Perfect for whole house cleaning. And you can additional buy an extra battery because you can remove the battery easily and then replace it with another battery. You have smart app integration. Connect to the Tineco app for a complete and intelligent cleaning experience, featuring real-time performance monitoring, cleaning reports, maintenance reminder, tech support, and troubleshooting, and more and more. And what I'm going to like so much, smart noise optimization. This vacuum is equipped with ultra-quiet yet powerful brushless digital motor. Yeah, that's working together with presses, air channel designing, and unique noise reduction materials, which reduce running noise to as low as 72 decibel. Wow, this is silent if it is cleaning. It's just like a whisper without any annoying sounds and friendly to our baby and pets. You have a super strong suction in maximum power. Get up to 130 watt of strong suction in maximum power mode, which is 5 times than ordinary DC motors cordless vacuum cleaners. Great for deep through cleaning of carpets, fabrics, and more. 4-stage full sealed filtration system. Fully sealed 4-stage filtration captures tiny dust particles and produce fresher, cleaner air for our home. And this is awesome. Ignis filter cleaning tool. This is included. The Tineco ingenious filter cleaning tool ensures suction is maintained and we can get the best cleaning experience possible for longer. Converts to handheld in a breeze. The PURE ONE S11 easily converts to a handheld vacuum. Great for reaching corners, cleaning stairs, mattresses, furniture, and more. The mini power brush grabs pet hair and embedded dust with easy. Sleek, crystal clear body, unique and attractive transparent design reveals the quality build of each component. And the wall mount dock for easy recharge and store. Dual charging wall mount, dual because you can install a second battery in it. It holds a vacuum and 3 accessories on board for easy storage and battery charging. Save our space and keep us home tidy and neat. Awesome thing. It's really awesome. The auto suction power is 18 watt up to 130 watt. The noise is 72 decibel. Detachable lithium-ion battery, 2500 milliampere hour. If you like, buy more of them. Then you double the power. Not the power, if you like more and longer vacuum, then buy another one, or one is up to running time 10 up to 40 minutes. 40 minutes in minimum mode, of course. 10 minutes if you all vacuum the maximum mode. Then it's 10 minutes. No, but it's clear. Okay, so much power needs so much power and so much energy. You have an all-in-one LED display. You have app integration system. You have a filter system, HEPA E11. The dust capacity is 0.6 liter. You have a switch lock. You have a wall mount dock. You have an LED soft roller power brush included, flexible long revive tool, an LED multi-task power brush, a mini power brush, a 2-in-1 dusting brush, a crevice tool, and pre-filter cleaning tool, additional microfiber pre-filter, and a hair cleaning tool. That is all included. And there is more accessories which you can buy. But this is enough for the first step with this awesome vacuum. Smart vacuum cleaner PURE ONE S11. This is the best vacuum cleaner I ever had before. By Tineco. Nice. The digital display on top of your vacuum cleaner. You have the brush roller tangled. This is the left icon. You have the dust monitoring loop. This is the loop LED around the digital display, blue to red according to the dust amount. Then in the center you have the add channel as blocked information. Then you have an Tineco logo on the bottom side. You have a dust sensor malfunction displayed on the right side. This is like an O. And of course, Wi-Fi indicator on top of the digital display. And this helps you awesome and easy to operate. To remove the battery, press the battery release button and remove the battery. Easily, as you can see. Only on the right and left side, slide it out. Easy. To replace, slide the battery into the slot at the base of the main body. The battery will click into position when correctly is fitted. Before the first use, charge the pillions. Okay? Then select an accessory and attach it to the pillions before use. And then pull the trigger to activate the suction. And pull the trigger lock to hold the trigger for continuous power mode. This is really awesome. Keep sharp objects away from the digital display to avoid scratches and scrapes, of course. The pillions will start in auto mode by default. After 3 seconds, press the auto or max button to switch to max mode and the button lights up. But it's always intelligent device that will level up or level down a little bit the suction power. The auto mode. The color of dust monitoring loop change according to the amount of dust detected. A red dust monitoring loop indicates more dust is detected, whereas a blue loop indicates less is detected. This mode automatically provides the best cleaning solution. On the back side you can see the first filter. This is the HEPA filter. Press the HEPA release button and gently remove for cleaning. Do not use the pillions without first installing the HEPA filter back. Do not place the pillions as removing and then cleaning. It's not good. It has to be locked in the host. The HEPA filter can be washed under running water and must be completely dry before reinstalling. About 24 hours with sunlight. This is important. Let's go to the second filter. Clean the dust bin and filter after each use. Use the cleaning tool to thoroughly clean the pre-filter when the indicator light shows a blocked air channel. To maintain high performance, wash and dry the pre-filter monthly. Replace it every 6 months. Wash and dry the HEPA filter every 3 months, replacing it every 12 months. Press the dust bin release button to remove the dust bin. Clean with a damp cloth, taking care to prevent water entering the pillion's main body and battery. Turn counterclockwise to remove the filter. Then clean the dust bin and mesh filter with a damp cloth. Air dry completely before reinstalling the components. After cleaning, insert the clean pre-filter into the mesh filter properly and it clicks into place. Then install the clean filter and dustbin back into the main body. Then close the dustbin flap. That is how to maintenance your dustbin and filter system. This is the mesh filter, the pre-filter, and of course the HEPA filter is on the backside of the device. Easy going, as you can see. When in auto mode, the runtime is approximately 40 minutes. When the maximum power is used, the runtime is approximately 10 minutes, of course. Estimated runtime data was obtained by Tineco laboratory using one battery and non-motorized accessories. That means if you use the motorized accessories, it should be a little bit less than 40 minutes. But it's okay. No one needs 1 hour in one track to vacuum the house. Or I do not do this. A full charge takes approximately 3 until 4 hours for one battery. When in use, the battery indicator has 3 solid blue lights. That means it's full power. 2 solid blue lights, medium power. 1 solid blue light, low power. And 1 solid red light, out of power. 1 blinking red one is full. Check the troubleshooting. Then main body indicator. That illuminates it's working on maximum mode. This is a button on top of your device. If it's blinking, you have an engine failure. Then there is an indicator on the display. It looks like a drill and it looks like a drill. It's bringing the brush roller has a blockage. Then there is another icon. It looks like an sink. This is blinking and the pillion has a blockage either in the filter or the dust bin. If you have this circle icon, it's blinking the sensor inside the dust bin is obstructed or the dust bin is not correctly installed. Then you have a Wi-Fi LED. That means you have, if it is illuminated, Wi-Fi has successfully connected. If this icon is blinking, the Wi-Fi is connecting, and if it's off, the Wi-Fi is not connected. Okay, then you have to connect it. During charging, the spare battery will only charge when one attached to the main body has been fully charged. 3 blue lights blinking successfully, it is charging. 1 blinking red light, forward. There's some problems. That full charge means all 3 solid blue lights. After 5 minutes, the light will go off automatically. Wow.